Looking for the perfect spot to unwind, celebrate, or just escape the city for a while? Tara na sa Balay Murphy, your private pool haven in Murphyville, Bria Homes, North Zagaray, Bulacan. Dito, bawat sulok, bawat detalye, design para sa chill at saya. Isang A-framed house, Instagrammable sa bawat anggulo, at isang malinis, refreshing na swimming pool na ready para sa inyo. Whether it's a small family gathering, barkada bonding, mini reunion, or kahit intimate celebration, Balay Murphy is your go-to place. May open space para mag-relax, at syempre, may Instagram-worthy spots, perfect for your selfies, group pics, at TikTok videos. Mas masarap mag-enjoy kapag walang iniisip na hassle. Kaya naman, sa Balay Murphy, you'll get exclusive pool use, no sharing with strangers, clean and well-maintained facilities, and safe and accessible location sa North Zagaray. So bakit ka pa maghahanap? Dito ka na sulit na bakasyon without traveling far. Just pack your food, your swimwear, at ang good vibes. Kami na ang bahala sa rest. Slots fill up fast, kaya huwag magpahuli. Balay Murphy Pool Rental. Ligo, kwento, enjoy! Call us now